When companies come to Grundfos, many times they're looking for better ways of doing things. And really they're looking for areas of wastefulness in their facilities that we can help them identify. We often come to the same conclusion, which is that there are pieces of rotating equipment that are quietly limping along, they're not functioning properly, and what that means is they're using more energy than they should be. The service and maintenance worlds are changing forever, and Grundfos is leading the way with our innovative service solutions. Surprises, emergency service calls, and wasteful assets are a thing of the past. So at Grundfos, we've been manufacturing and selling pumps in the US for almost 50 years, and those innovative solutions have been a key part of that from the very beginning. We see and hear a lot of buzzwords in the market today. The Industry 4.0, artificial intelligence, the digital enablement. But at Grundfos, we're working hard to kind of block out that noise for our partners in our channel. The big idea is providing enhanced visibility into the current machine health of critical assets. So if we can work together with our customers to identify those small faults before they turn into major issues, that's how we're going to deliver a meaningful impact to our customers. Grundfos digital service solutions bring a new era of intelligence to pump systems and water technology. What we're doing is bringing focus away from individual components and focusing on the entire system. It's this holistic approach that sets us apart and drives the most meaningful impacts for our customers. So whether you're operating a major industrial facility, you're a global leader in power generation, or you're delivering clean water to major cities across the US, our digital solutions in our portfolio can make you more efficient. Pumps account for 10% of the world's energy consumption. When we factor in other pieces of rotating equipment like chillers and compressors and fans, it's clear that's where we can make the largest impact on a global scale. By utilizing digital platforms, our customers take global sustainability and move it to the top of their list. So this is the big idea. If we all work together, we all do our part, using the most efficient pumps, using smart maintenance technologies, we can reduce global energy consumption by 4% or more. Grundfos offers a full range of service capabilities. Leveraging our network of factory-trained technicians and service centers across the country, we can provide value and service all brands and all sizes of pumps. We hope you'll join us in our journey toward global sustainability and operational efficiency.